Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draft the pattern of full circular skirt. For that you will require drafting paper, French curve, pencil or any marker, measuring tape. So for this drafting you will require big drafting paper. For that I have attached two drafting paper to make it one. The measurement of your drafting paper should be the length of my drafting paper is 44 inches and the width is also 44 inches. If you will make the circular skirt with my measurements, with the same measurements, then the drafting paper should be of this measurements. And now let's start with the drafting. First of all, this is your drafting paper. Fold your drafting paper like this. After folding drafting paper, and now you have to fold your drafting paper in this position. So after folding, it will have 4 layers of paper, and this side and this side, means two sides should be on fold and two sides should be not on fold. So after folding your drafting paper, now I will take the measurements. So these are my measurements. For this you will require 1/4 of your round waist. Waist is 8 inches. So after this measurement I will start drafting. On fold should be on both the side and off fold side should be on this downwards and your right side. Now from this you have to mark a point. Like my round waist is 32 inches and 1/4 of round waist is 8 inches. So I will mark a point of 8 inches. That is 1/4 of my round waist. So make a straight line like this. It is of 8 inches. First of all, mark a small point. And now measure that this side and this side should be equal. Now it is 5.6 and it is also 5.6. It means both sides are equal. Now I will draw a straight line over here. Now these are my 2 points from which I will make a right angle. From this point I will make a straight line. And from this point I will make a straight line joining this line. So this is my 90-degree angle. From this I will mark a point. This is my point A and this is my point B. From point A I will mark 1 inches and from point B I will mark 1 inches. So this is the point of 1 inches, and now I will make a curve with the help of French curve joining these points. So this is my waist curve. Now I will cut the waist curve from this line, not from this line. Now moving to the length part. So my length is 15 inches. You can also extend, or you can also change the length according to your measurements. Now from point A and B, I will mark the length point. Now the requirement of my length is 15 inches. So now next mark the length from this A point to this side. So these are my points of length. I will mark. This is my point of length C, which is from point B, and this is point D, which is from point A. Now I will join point C and D in a curved line. So this is the bottom curve of my skirt. Now I will cut the pattern of my skirt. So after cutting the pattern of your skirt, it will look like this, and after opening the pattern, it should be like this. And when you stitch the skirt, the full circular skirt on your fabric, then the fabric will not get any stitch on the sides or anywhere. It will get stitch only on the bottom and on the waistline. So this is the pattern or drafting of the circular skirt. Hope you all understand. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.